something like you guys have, let's get out of the way. You guys have relatives there in Anchorage, and Miss Kathy was real nice to tell me a lot about what you heard from. They were safe and everything. Is everything still going well there?
Oh yeah, they had some breakage and they're getting foundation work.
A lot of foundation work.
Yeah, getting it checked.
Right.
Because a lot of the houses had some cracks in the foundation and stuff. So, but other than that,
Not having trouble getting to work and back, transit through the roadways or anything like
no,
that?
so far they seem to be doing
They
good.
probably got workarounds for the ones that are.
Oh yeah.
But,
Well, all our relatives are in Anchorage,
right.
so they didn't have to go out towards Eagle River because that's where
Is that more
the
a
road
little
damage
north?
is. Yeah,
That's where the hardest part of it hit up there.
yeah.
So in Anchorage proper, where your folks live, everything's going well there as far as. Well, I know a lot of people have family up there, so they're concerned about that.
Yeah, all the grandkids and stuff, they're bothered by the aftershocks more than the quake.
Because that was unusual, I've heard, to have as many or strong or something.
Alaska gets about 4,000 earthquakes a year, minor ones.
But like the week after this, they reported over 1,000, I think.
Yeah.
So that
Some
that
of
was
them are
above
pretty strong
normal.
too, yeah, so it's life up there. Yeah. Hey, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it shakes.
Sometimes it's cold and shakes. So, well, thank you for being willing to do that with us.
And this is my friend John.
And this is my friend Glenn. Everybody would get on YouTube and talk about stuff. So thank you, Glenn.